Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to New York. We've arrived here approximately 6:20 p.m. Please note there's been a 1-hour time change. It'll take us a few minutes to taxi to the gate. We ask you please remain seated, leave all of your carry-on luggage stowed until the aircraft is parked and our captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. When you get up to collect your personal items from the overhead lockers, please use caution to prevent falling objects. Also, please be certain to check around your seating area, including underneath your chair and in the seat back pocket, so you take all of your personal items with you when you leave us tonight. We'll be arriving this evening at Terminal 4 here at JFK, Gate 38. You'll proceed to the Customs and Immigration Hall, where you'll clear the necessary immigration proceedings. If you have any questions about this process, there will be uniformed service representatives greeting our flight this evening. If you have a connecting flight on Delta, we do ask you please verify your connecting gate once you're inside the terminal. We do operate from 2 terminals here at JFK, Terminal 2 and Terminal 4, and there is a bus or an air train that will take you between these 2 terminals.